Got 1,000 things to do, and your phone keeps buzzing through. Just unplug and be free. In this life there's so much rush, all the pressure feels too much. Just unplug and be free. Don't you stress now, just be free. Ooh. Let the good times roll, don't you worry. Let it go, just let the good times roll. Oh, oh. You see them scrolling on the screen, makes your own life feel less keen. Just unplug and be free. The landlord says the Wi-Fi's down, biggest crisis in the town. Just unplug and be free. Look at me, I'm free. Ooh, let the good times roll, don't you worry. Let it go, just let the good times roll. Cause when you're chasing all the likes, you start to frown, and that feeling brings the whole vibe down. So just put that little phone away and live for real today. Oh, let the good times roll, don't you worry. Let it go, just let the good times roll. Don't you worry now. Yeah, just be free. Don't you worry. Just be free. Alarm clock scream, sneakers hit pavement. Yeah, baby. Knuckles grind chrome while the city take pavement. Every step cracks ice on tomorrow's staircase. Breath turns to smoke where the hunger won't wait. Pressure make diamonds and fistfuls of gravel. Tempo locked tight like a piston unravel. Chain links rattle where the daylight gets chained, but souls keep traction when the storm meets the flame. Higher, higher, wires catch fire. Echoes bounce off the canyon's cold choir. Dawn cracks the whip where the night expires. Every scar's a ladder wrong, climbing through fire. Higher, higher, shadow drowns higher. Rising bends, but the grip won't tire. Concrete blooms where the dreams conspire. Count the miles in the acre desire. Oh, calluses map all the subway train rhythm. Bank vault dreams split through prism of wisdom. Third floor lights cut the fog into fragments. Hustle's a hammer breaking mirrors to fragments. Pressure make diamonds and fistfuls of gravel. Tempo locked tight like a piston unravel. Chain links rattle where the daylight gets chained, but souls keep traction when the storm meets the flame. Higher, higher, wires catch fire. Echoes bounce off the canyon's cold choir. Dawn cracks the whip where the night expires. Every scar's a ladder rung climbing through fire. Higher, higher, shadow drowns higher. Rising bands but the grip won't tire. Concrete blooms where the dreams conspire. Count the miles in the acre desire. Summit line blurs where the skyline combust. Fingertips spark on the steel river's crust. Armor's just sweat crystallized into trust. Bank the gain when the grind turns to lust. Higher, higher, wires catch fire. Echoes bounce off the canyon's cold choir. Dawn cracks the whip where the night expires. Every scar's a ladder rung climbing through fire. Higher, higher, shadow drowns higher. Rising bands but the grip won't tire. Concrete blooms where the dreams conspire. Count the miles in the acre desire. Mountain cold, never fall. Cold chrome hum, breath become. Anoche Dios me habló, no bajes la frente. Lo que hoy siembras en sombra, mañana es potente. No pares por el ruido ni por el ambiente. El que aguanta el desierto luego guía a la gente. Me dijo tranquilo, todo llega a su hora. Las pruebas te pulen aunque el alma te llora. Lo que viste perdido no era despedida, solo estaba creciendo lejos de tu vista. Muchos dudan cuando el tiempo es incierto, pero Dios nunca falla, aunque el camino sea lento. Lo que cuesta se cuida, lo que duele enseña, y el que sigue creyendo siempre encuentra la puerta. No mires abajo cuando quieran juzgarte, si Dios te levanta nadie puede tumbarte. Lo que hoy es silencio, mañana es gigante. Lo que viene es grande, más de lo que imaginaste. Dios me dijo despacio, no te detengas. Lo que perdiste vuelve y la fe lo acelera. El proceso incomoda, pero te mejora. El que resiste firme, después lidera. Las promesas no fallan, aunque el tiempo presione. Lo que Dios multiplica rompe limitaciones. No le temo a la noche ni a lo que se esconde. El que camina con fe nunca se rompe.